Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 011, Arithmetic, Section 4.6, Problem 1. This is Section 4.6, Problem 1. It says, what number is 30% of 60? So with percent problems from this section, we want to solve it as a ratio, and you want the problem to be worded as the sentence basically, A is P percent of B. You want it to be worded that way, and it is. A is the what number, P percent is 30% of B. The 60 is the B. And you set it up in the proportion A is, the is equals P percent is always 100, of B. So it just goes around in a circle. A is P percent of B. So we fill that in and solve it. So the A is the what number, that's the unknown, so I just leave it as a variable. A is equals 30%, so 30 is the P, percent is always 100, of 60, so the 60 goes under the A. So now essentially we have an equation with one unknown, the A, and when you have something like this where one fraction is equal to the other, it's a proportion, you just cross multiply and solve. So A times 100 will be 100A equals 60 times 30. So 100A can stay. Now 60 times 30, that's a fairly big multiplication, but you can really do it in your head. Ignore the zeros for a sec. It's really just 6 times 3. 6 times 3 is 18. And you ignore 2 zeros, so put 2 zeros back. It's 1800. You can really do it without a calculator. And now, to solve for the unknown, you want to divide the number next to it. So 100A equals 1800. You'll have 1800 divided by 100. And again, those are fairly big numbers, but because of the 2 zeros in the 100 and the 2 zeros in the numerator, you just cancel those. And you can see that A is 18. So that's the what number. That's what we solve for. So 18 is 30% of 60.